Go kill it before I close the door.
No, stop recording me.
Go kill it.
Stop recording me.
See that I'm not playing.
You're recording me!
Go kill it.
Might just throw the sneaker.
No, don't throw it. Run. Hurry up.
Dad, can you do it? We live in the living room.
Oh my God, I'm about to throw up. Just go. I lied. Just go kill it. Destiny, kill it. No, get my sneaker.
Give me. Give me, I'm gonna throw it.
No.
No, don't throw it. Go kill it, bitch. Ooh.
I'm gonna go spray it, just in case, just in case. Whoa, you see, I think it's a butterfly.
See, there's a butterfly.
Die. It looks like a butterfly. Back up.
You killed the butterfly. Trust me, I know.
It's wrong. Look.
I knew it was a moth.